Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dr. Wayne Dyer 101 Ways to Transform Your Life series. Here we are, part 87, getting a little tongue-tied. So in this part, we're talking once again about addiction. This is the third or fourth time he's brought it up at this point. Maybe even just like, yeah, it's gotta be at least the third. So this principle is about how we should get rid of addiction, that we should focus within, focus on our higher loving self, and we shouldn't have these kind of addictions. He's saying to free our addictions from sugar, caffeine, alcohol, drugs, sexual conquest, all these kind of things that importance. We should free our addictions from these kind of things that might be easy to find, might not be easy to figure out what we're addicted to. But as we become higher self beings, as we transform our lives to really caring more about that inner focus, then a lot of that stuff gets better, is what he's really saying here. But also that we naturally have this ego inclination that the world is only as good as we make stuff. So in order to feel important, we have to have other people approve of us. We have to have dominance over other people. We have to have these substances to make us feel good all the time. Now, I think that a lot of substances are fine in moderation. Caffeine, sugar, alcohol, all those things are fine if you're not somebody who's naturally able to easily get addicted or you're dependent on these things. I think that all these things are fine in moderation, everything in moderation, as they say. Because a lot of people get really tied up to things when they're not focusing on their higher self, when they only just are trying to shut down the higher self from saying, not their higher self, shut down their subconscious mind from saying they're not good enough, from yelling at them, because all they've done has been negative all the time, and now their mind is constantly being negative to them, because that's how they treated others in the world and themselves, so that's how their subconscious mind will treat them in return. So they use these substances and these experiences and this need for all these things to drown out that feeling of negativity that they have all the time. But when you have a positive mind, you don't have that. You have a flood of positive emotions. While some substances may lift you up at times, when used in moderation is the right approach here. You shouldn't need them, basically. You should only have them to enjoy sometimes in better accordance, and to be safe with all use, of course. That's about it for part 87. That's my personal take on it, and I will see you guys next time with part 88. So let's get her up to 88 and see where this puppy goes. So see you then.